everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Lex, and today I'm going to be taking you through a quick and easy tutorial on a clay hair mask to cleanse your hair and how to style your hair after. So I'm going to take you through step by step all of the ingredients that I use, how I do the clay mask, and how my results come out from doing it. So stay tuned and hope you guys enjoy.
So the first product that I will be using is the Bentonite Indian Healing Clay. I personally use about 4 tablespoons, but you can adjust the measurements to all these ingredients to your hair type and texture. With this clay, when it is mixed with water, it draws out all the chemicals, bacteria, and toxins that are in your hair and on your scalp, so it makes for a great hair and scalp detox. I purchased this on Amazon, so I will include the link below in the description. The next ingredient is 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps to get rid of all of that product buildup that you have in your hair, as well as dandruff, by acting as an antifungal and antibacterial. This is also a great way to get rid of frizz and add major shine. When adding this to the mixture, it will fizz and bubble up, but don't worry, that is just the reaction and it is perfectly normal. The next ingredient is about 10 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil does have a very strong smell, so if you have not used it before, just a little heads up, it is very strong, but I personally love it. It is a great antibacterial and antifungal, so it helps to relieve dandruff and get rid of that itchy scalp. Next up, we have Jamaican black castor oil, which is known for promoting hair growth. I add this to my clay masks as well as to my shampoo every time I wash my hair to open up that hair follicle and really allow for the oil to get in there and promote that hair growth. Last but not least, we have Shea Oil, which helps to, if you have oily hair, reduce the excessive oils on your scalp. And if you have dry hair, it helps to moisturize your dry scalp and reduce any flakiness that you have due to dryness. Once all of your ingredients are combined, you're going to want to use a plastic utensil to mix up the ingredients. You want to use a plastic utensil because these ingredients are known to draw out all the metals, so you don't want to use any metals when combining this mixture. And you'll notice that the mixture is very thick and clumpy at this point. You're going to want to add water and continue to mix until the mixture reaches the texture that you would like. I personally like the mixture to be just a little thick and a little bit clumpy because I really like it to sit on my hair and just feel like it's working a little bit more. Okay, so now that the mixture is ready, it is time to apply it to your hair. I like to section my hair into about 3 to 5 different sections while I'm applying the hair mask. Make sure to add a towel around your shoulders because this mask will get all over your clothes. So you do want to wet your hair. Make sure that your hair is almost soaking wet before you add the clay mask to your hair. Now you're going to take your mixture and add your desired amount onto that section of hair. You can use as much as you would like, just make sure that you have enough to cover your entire head. So when you are applying the mask, I start in the middle and work my way down. And then I like to get a little bit more, focus on the ends because my ends are always really dry. And then also, of course, make sure that you focus on getting it really working it into your scalp. And now we wait until the clay mask dries. Okay, so now that the clay mask has dried, it is now time to wash it out of my hair. You're going to really want to focus on rinsing the clay out because once it's dry, it gets really hard and it sticks to everything. So make sure you're scrubbing really good and really get that out of your hair. Now I'm going to wash my hair using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. When you are shampooing your hair, just a curl tip, make sure that you are only focusing on really working the shampoo onto your scalp. It is not necessary to really put shampoo on your ends because when you rinse it out, you'll see that the suds flow and they will get on the rest of your hair. And here is just a quick look at my hair right after the shower. My curls are still wet, but you can see that shine. And here's just a final look at my curls once my hair is styled and dry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.